Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you the unboxing and first look of a Rough Rider Reserve. This is a older model, but finally I could get my hands on it, and it is the RR model 007. All these premium reserve models come in a nice tube. Built by hand, baked for life. Always good to know. So for those of you who don't know, Rough Rider is a value budget-friendly brand owned by Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and the founder Kevin Pipes wanted to bring to the community something even more of a better quality, something for collectors, and they produced this beautiful line which is under the Triple R or the Reserve brand. So the company has been producing knives since 25 years, so they have a really nice and long heritage. You have been seeing lots of Rough Riders here on my channel. I really like to promote this brand because in my opinion, they are really good quality for the price, and if you are a traditional knife collector, then this is one brand you should look into it. Okay, so the Reserve brand is like I mentioned, is a premium series of knives, so you will have definitely better materials, and also the quality of fit and finish is a step up. Not to say that the regular Rough Rider production is not a good quality, but comparable to your $10 knife to a $50 knife, there should be some differences, and there are. So now let me give you the quick specification. So this is the model called Nomad Folding Hunter. It's designed by Andy Armstrong. It has an overall length of 18.5 centimeters or 7.3 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters long or 3.1 inch. The width is 2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. The thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.09 inches. The handle is 10.7 centimeters or 4.2 inches long, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Now, let me tell you about the materials used on this one. So we have D2 tool steel with a nice satin drop point profile. On the blade we have the model number and made in China, and on the other side we have the Triple R and Rough Rider underneath. The opening method is this notch or long pull, how you want to call it. One side is a little bit sharp, one side is rounded, so that you have better traction while opening it one-handed. On the handle we have stainless steel brushed bolsters, 10 buffed micarta, brass liners, and nickel silver pins, and this beautiful arrowhead shield. We have a lanyard hole with a lanyard tube, and this is a backlock knife. Half stop is around 90 degrees right here. The pull is around 2 or maybe even 1, so really light. And like I mentioned, the top portion here is sharp, so that it will catch your finger and you can open it one-handed if you choose so. Okay, we have a weight of 103 grams or 3.6 ounces. Let me also point out that this corner here is not rounded, so it is sharp, so be careful. And the design keeps this portion here open. But this one could be changed if you just maybe use your sandpaper or file and take down the sharp edge. Okay, now let's see the sharpness out of the box. So really nice and sharp. Overall, we have beautiful flowing lines here, so it will fit in a large hand really well. There is also a partial finger choil if you need to choke up on the blade for a little bit detail working. The tightness is really nice, so you have no blade play whatsoever. Up and down, perfectly dialed in. And I did read some articles that they do check the knife before they ship it out, so that all of them are spot on quality wise. So even you can see that everything is nice, clean and polished. With if you compare it to some other Rough Riders, they could potentially be dirt and grime inside due to the storage and factory. But this one is perfectly clean, nicely polished, rounded edges. So yeah, I must say that these are really nice. Price wise, we're looking at around $49.99. That is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, which are the owner and also the distributor. If you are looking for a retailer in Europe, if you are one of my YouTube subscribers or friends that is from Europe, then I will link always, also if I can, a link to a European distributor down below for your convenience. One more thing that I have to say about the reserve line. I read some articles by the founder that these reserve models are not per se a limited edition, but they only made them for a certain of period of time, and when they decide they end the line, then in that configuration the knife will be not available anymore. They said they could maybe change out the inlays or the steel on the blade, but if you like a particular configuration, so D2 and 10 Micarta, then you should pick up one as soon as possible, because they will be selling out really easily. Okay, now let's go and continue with some size comparison. So let me bring out the Triple R009, which is the latest model they have. Here is a Swordbuster Junior from Case. This is a large full-size Swordbuster from Voss. one of my Lenny's clip from Brother Knives. This is the model 1509 if you are interested. Here is the peanut from Rough Rider. Here's the Stockman. Texas toothpick. Tribal lock from case. And the 1512 from Brother if you're looking for something similar size. There's also a great knife with Micarta. Okay, now let's continue with Kaiser Pinch. QSP Penguin. CVV Rustic Gent. CRKT Pilar. CVV Elementum. Kaiser Baglighter 2. Kubi Aris. Small Reptilian from Benchmade. Red Model 2. Burger Plus Bonfire. Spyderco Delica. Kershaw Leak. $9.40 from Benchmade. Model 111 from Tucson in Micarta. Kershaw Blur. Let's put in also a Swiss Army knife. And let's close it down with the Keiba Dojo Folding Hunter, which has also the namesake of this knife. Okay, so this was yet another beautiful reserve model from Rough Rider, the Nomad Folding Hunter, the RR007. In my opinion, it is well worth the money. So for around $50 you can definitely not go wrong with the knife with these qualities. So it is D2 and Micarta. Everything is really nicely rounded and done, and I'm really happy that I can have this one in my collection. So stay tuned for more Rough Rider knives, and hopefully I can get my hands on some more these beautiful reserve models from Rough Rider. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Of course, if you are a subscriber, big thumbs up to you, thank you very much. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also other stuff regarding my other hobbies, so stay tuned. So that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.